So guys, open any browsers to type Google search box to Lenovo in model number like that. You can see here, and after that you enter the download driver. So you have get a lot of URL and website. So guys, this is officially website pcsupport.lenovo.com. Go to this, right click to new tab, and try to second also. Okay, if you come on this URL, like you can see, this is manual features. Okay, now this is buffering the website. Second one, you can see this is download and software. Okay, so that means guys, you can scan now, so automatically detect your required driver to your system and it will install next 5 to 10 minutes. This is guys manual. Okay, just click to manual. You can see this is all the driver showing here, audio and Bluetooth, camera and Wi-Fi like that. So guys, first audio, this is audio driver. Okay, and you can see this is size. Just click to download. Hit start. After downloaded, just single click to setup, then click to yes, then okay, then I accept, then next, select the install, then next, and then click to install. Then guys, you can see the Realtek audio driver install, then okay, and then finished. Then restart your system.